Hi, my name is Rolf and I'm from iGo Eco, and today we're going to have a quick chat about removing some of the roots on your lucky bamboo. Some people might ask, why would you want to do that? There could be a couple of reasons, two of them being it might not be very aesthetically pleasing to look at, or maybe you would like to fit it into a bottle or a jar or a vase that has a very small opening at the top. I'm just using this as an example. That is not going to work without any serious damage happening to the actual plant in the process, breakage and so forth. So it is very safe to remove the roots. It's not going to affect the plant, as long as you make sure that you do not break the skin of the actual stem. How would you do that? It is pretty easy and pretty simple. Right, you just want to basically nip off the root just before the actual stem starts. So that would be there. See how easy that went. It is going to leave a mark, unfortunately. That is just how it is. But if you actually do damage the stem, and you cut off or scrape off a bit of the green of the stem, there's a chance that it would survive. A very high probability, yes, but it is going to leave a scar, and there's chance of infection, which you want to stop before it happens. So in the process of moving on with removing the roots, it is very easy. It's just going to be a bit time consuming, but probably also a lot quicker than we might think. This is also a good chance to see if you have any old roots that needs removing, that might have gone a bit soggy. There's none on this plant, so that's not something to worry about. Either way, you can see how easy it is. As I say, it is going to leave some scarring, some little buds there, but it will heal over very quickly, and you'll be able to create a look that's better, or be able to stick it into the desired jar. Right, so once you've reached that point and you think you've removed enough, you can stick it right back into the water as quick as possible. So lucky bamboo that is kept in water obviously needs to go straight back into the water as quick as possible, because it is a very thirsty plant. Just a few hours without water and this plant will not look the same. Right, that's just to show you. I hope that helps a little bit. If there's anything that I can help you with, feel free to contact us on our website, and I hope everything goes well with your removal of roots.